Hey guys, I'm back again. I'm just making another slime video. So I'm gonna remake the slime that I ruined. And this is what it looks like so far. I just mixed it up a little bit. It's very milky now because I add water. Here's the starch. And you can see what the old one was supposed to look like, the color. I only added one color. But to this one I've added maybe more of an angel pink color. But this one was more light and it's brittle now. I'm going to show you this in the end of the video, but it's very brittle. You can see.
As the pastor, the only difference is he pulled the trigger and she didn't.
And as for David Love, the pastor who eulogized the man he murdered, we anticipated he would grow old. We anticipated that we'd do more things together.
David broke all the 10 Commandments. Every one of them. Obviously he lied. He committed murder. He committed adultery. He committed false witness. I mean, you go on and on. David broke all 10 Commandments. And so that is the ultimate act of betrayal.
Both Teresa Stone and Dave Love continue to serve out their sentences. Stone is eligible for parole in 2015 and Love in 2030. I'm John Quinones. Please join us next time for another edition of 2020 on ID.
So
Identical twins George and Stefan Spitzer were born in the dark shadow of communism.
They lived in a land of governmental oppression. There was no Romanian dream. The Romanian dream was the American dream.
The Spitzer twins fantasized about a world of lights and cameras.
Okay.
Movie business
It's
becomes
so gross.
an orgy of opportunity. But their
Oh,
lives
but you
would
can
take a
see
dark
what
turn.
it's coming
When
to
the
be.
Spitzers realized that
Ah,
their Hollywood
I
dream
love
wasn't
making
coming
this
true,
stuff.
they decided to take their revenge.
This one I will
These
not let
identical
dry
brothers
out.
wreaked havoc on LA, using
So I'm just
sex,
gonna
drugs, violence, and videotape.
my
They're egging each other on. We are the most swinging lovers ever. We more women than anybody.
This has been a lifestyle for them, a sick, psychotic lifestyle.
They turned the power of twinship into something really, really evil.
oh my goodness. So I'm gonna do this with both hands. Unfortunately, my dolls did not come yesterday, but I think they might be coming today. I'm pretty sure. Ugh.
Marina del Rey is a small
Yeah.
seaside port town nestled in the heart of
this
Los
is-
Angeles County, California.
This is just gross. So
Weeks before she
I'm gonna
disappears,
do this with both
Amy
hands.
St. Laurent is on a trip to Fort Myers, Florida.
So I'll see you guys in the next video. See, peace out. Love you.